there. Here. Josie is here. Bronx is here. There's Harley laying on the couch back there behind me. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening our Fabfitfun box for winter 2019. First, let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is a quarterly/seasonal box, so you get it 4 times a year. It is $49.99 per season, and then you get 8 to 10 full-size premium products valued at $200 or more, and then you also get access to exclusive sales. Another cool thing about this box is that you are able to customize some things. I pay all up front for the whole year, so I'm able to pick almost everything in my box. There are some things that just everybody gets, but overall, I get a huge say in what is in my box. It's been so long since I picked what was going to be in my box, I don't really remember. So, let's find out. Okay, so once you get your box open, it looks just like this. It's got this little pamphlet / magazine on top that will tell you everything that you're getting in the box as well as the values, and then it'll also give you what you could have received, like the option. So you could have received this or that. Okay, so right on top there's always a code to get $10 off your first box. There's also always just like a generic code. I will put that in the description box down below. If you are interested in signing up, you can use the code to get $10 off. And then also right on top here I have a card for HelloFresh. $60 gift card, $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus shipping. I already get HelloFresh, so I'm not going to use that. If anybody does want that, let me know. I'll just pass you the code. Side note, I really like HelloFresh. It's great. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is a throw blanket from Mark & Graham. It's called the Colorblock Throw in gray or ivory or natural ivory. And I picked natural ivory. So this one, you got a blanket no matter what. You just got to pick between basically white or tan, and I chose tan. This is valued at $49. It feels really, really soft. Let me stand up so I can show you how big it is. Okay, so it's actually like multi-tone. You can see like it's got 3 stripes in there. It's a pretty big size. It feels super soft. Here's my height for comparison. This is a really, really nice blanket. And one thing I really like about Fabfitfun is if I didn't like this blanket and I didn't open it up and make it a mess, it's like stuff that you can give away as gifts to other people. So, got a nice blanket, excited about that. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out of here is a Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. It is intense care for dry and damaged hair. I remember when I researched this that it was cruelty free. Let me see. And then right here on the back it does say not tested on animals. So it's a pretty nice size. Pretty good size tub right here. This is valued at $49. And with this option you could have chose between this mask or Bear Paw combo set, a headband, and Pop Top glove duo. So basically an ear warmer with matching gloves. I live in Arizona where it doesn't get super, super cold, so I thought I'd get more use out of this. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is an Oribe Gold Lust Dry Shampoo. I want to say this was cruelty-free too. As always, I put down below if things are cruelty-free, if you care about that like I do. If not, that's okay too. Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. It's just a dry shampoo. Let's give it a whiff. I'm having trouble smelling it. I'm just gonna spray it on the box. It's got a little bit of a masculine smell to it, but not bad. I do like it. Definitely will use this. So this is valued at $44, and with this option you could have chosen between a dry shampoo, a jewelry portfolio, so basically like a travel jewelry case, or a circle silver necklace. I don't wear tons of jewelry, so I don't have a reason to have a portfolio or, you know, choose a necklace. So I chose this because I definitely use dry shampoo a ton. Also very pricey, $44 for dry shampoo, so hopefully that's amazing. Alrighty, let's hop on into the next thing. So the next thing I have is socks, which I love socks. These are Richer Pore Reina Over the Knee Textured Sock. So I got them in, looks like a black and gray sort of color. And here they are, just nice long socks. I love socks. I have a thing for socks, so these are awesome. These are valued at $24, which is a little bit pricey. But again, great gift. Okay, so with the socks, you could have gotten the socks, a Sherry Matthews Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller, or the Pure Be Yourself Selfie Palette, which actually I did get in my add-ons. I paid $10 extra, I believe, to get that as well. I can go grab that real quick. See what I mean? When it's been so long since I picked this stuff, I completely forgot that I paid extra to get this. So yeah, sometimes if you're like, oh man, I can't pick between these two, you can pay a little bit extra just to get both of them. So here's the palette I got. And here's the colors. It's just like a pinky purple mauve sort of nice fall palette, I thought, and then it would be a nice transition into summer, spring, all that stuff. So I'm not gonna swatch it, but I do have I think I wanna say I have 2 palettes from Pure that I really like. They are cruelty free, so that's why I went ahead and picked this up as well. This is valued at $36. Alrighty, on to the next item. So the next thing I got is a lipstick from Bite Beauty, which I really, really like their lipsticks. If you've never tried them, they're pretty good. This is in the color Merengue. This is a cruelty-free brand as well. So the packaging is always like a matte gray, which I think is kind of nice and simple. And then it's just a nude pink on the inside here. I'll go ahead and swatch this real quick just because this is really easy. So it's just a pink nude color. My lights are kind of bright, so it's making it look a little lighter than it really is, but just a color that I really like, and then I really like the formula of these, so excited to pick this up. The Bite Beauty lip colors retail for $26. I could have chose between this, a 4-piece coaster set that's just like wood coasters, or workout sliders. You ever seen them? They're like little flat things that put on the ground, and then you can like move your hands and your feet on them. I have tons of workout equipment. I didn't really need that, so that's why I chose the lipstick. All right, let's see. The next thing I got was Elevate 2 essential oils, Eucalyptus and Sweet Orange. There's what that looks like. So let's just go ahead and sniff. Whew. That one's the eucalyptus. It smells very eucalyptus-y. And then the other one's the orange. It smells really, really good. So just some essential oils. I don't really know exactly how I'm going to use them. I don't have a diffuser, but I've been thinking about getting one, which is why I picked this versus the other option. Retails for $31. And the other thing I could have got was Anthropologie body cream and coconut sugar. I think the reason why I chose this was because it was cruelty free and I could not find out if the Anthropologie thing was. So that's why I went with this. All right, so the next couple items I'm going to talk about are the things that every member will get. There's no choice for anyone. All right, so the first thing is from Thrive Causemetics, and I'm going to show you how they spell cause. It's kind of cool. Let's see, there it is. So cause, like with a cause. It does say cruelty-free, vegan, paraben and sulfate-free and toxin-free. So it sounds like something I'd be into. This is a highlighting stick in the color Stella. I really love, like this color is, I really like it. I don't know if this is going to show up. It's a very champagne, kind of cool toned highlighter. Not sure if you can see it under the lipstick. You see like how my hand's a little shiny there? So it's a really subtle highlighter, which I like. I'm not into super, super blinding highlights, so definitely will play around with this some more. It's weird, it says it has ring light technology. I'm not sure what that means. And then it's also equipped with a built-in sharpener. So interesting. This is retailed at $24. All right, so the next thing I have is from BLAQ, right there. This is a hydrogel eye mask with I can never say that word. Hyaluronic acid. Yay, only took 10 times. So it's basically just those under eye masks to help you like depuff your eyes, all that stuff. I have tried like their face mask, that like the one that like peels your hair off your face basically. It kind of hurts, so I'm hoping this isn't like that because that'd be really hurt to be right under your eyes. It says cruelty free though, so that's interesting. Let's go ahead and open up just to see what they look like. Okay, so they are soaking in something, so they're not like the kind that's gonna peel off. So definitely interested in trying these. I like under eye masks. I use them quite a bit, so definitely something I'm into trying out, and those retail for $29. All right, got one last thing, and this is from Ahava. It is a hydration cream mask. There's that. I have tried their hand lotion, which I really, really like. I also got that in a Fabfitfun box. I'm just gonna see what it smells like. So, it doesn't have a huge scent to it. It's very, very creamy, which is good. This brand is cruelty free, which is also amazing. And this retails for $33. Now I said I would do a different video for add-ons, but since I think I only have 2 other add-ons, I'll just go ahead and talk about the other ones I got real quick. So I got this No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. There's that. Oh, pretty. So it's just a pore covering primer. It does have a bit of a perfumey smell, but it does feel like it'll be like a hydrating pore primer. So many of them are like really, really drying, and I have dry skin, so I was interested in picking this up just because it looks like it's things that meet my needs, you know, moisturizing, but also pore covering. So got that. I'm not sure what it retails for. I can put that on the screen right there. Okay, and then the other thing I got, which was totally something I don't need, but it was such an impulse buy, these like mermaid brushes from Tarte. This is literally the last thing I need is more brushes. I mean, I like getting brushes, but did I really need these? No. But they have mermaid tails, so did I really need them? Kind of. So it's just a set of 5 brushes. I don't know if I really even need any of these brushes. I'm kind of into this really big one right here, but they just looked so nice and fun and pretty, so I had to pick those up. I will insert the retail value right there. All right, so overall, I really, really liked this box. Fabfitfun is one of my favorite boxes to get, even though I know everything that's coming in here. By the time it gets here, I forget everything. I've forgotten literally everything that I was getting in this box, so I like getting it. It's just like Christmas when you get it. I think these also make for great gifts, so if you're thinking of something you want to get somebody for Christmas or a birthday or anything that's upcoming, these are, I think they make really good gifts. I'd be excited to get this as a gift. So what are your thoughts? Did you guys get the same stuff in your Fabfitfun box? Do you get Fabfitfun? Do you want to get Fabfitfun? Like I said earlier, I will put the code for $10 off if you are interested in signing up. I think you will not be disappointed. But yeah, that's all I have for this video today. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more Bronx. Yeah, who doesn't want to see more Bronx? I mean, I do, right? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Okay, maybe they will. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.